What's going on, everybody? Today, we're going to be talking about how you could be making $1,000 a day trading crypto futures. And specifically in this video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin futures. Let's just hop right into it. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Let's just hop right into it. So, right now, I'm currently trading, and I already kind of set this up right now because anything that comes down below this level is straight profits for me. And that's because right now, I'm currently shorting the market here. You can see down here my actual money here is at $228 right now, and it shows that I'm currently down 3.77%. It says 81.95 $81.95, right? But I have $228, and available to still use, I still have $146. And like I said, we're jumping right into this, and the reason why I have it set like this, where it shows that I'm down, but I have $81, but I have $146 left, because I know this is when I got in, right? This line right here, anything that goes below this line is profit, because this is a short position. So anything that goes below this line is profit. And currently, right now, we are still going up in the uptrend, but I know it's going to go below that because we just now had a huge pump. Now we're about to cross down here on the RSI, so I know we're about to have another increase in price here for the Bitcoin futures. So this is going to result in the price going even higher, which is why I want to wait until we go higher with the price, so then I could put more margin on there. I can put more money on there. As you can see right here, this is $146. And by the way, this is my real account, right? The one I just now had, this is my demo account. The demo account has $51,947. On the demo account, I've made $1,900 so far. But yeah, so far so good. On the demo account, I haven't lost. I've lost 67 on here on that one trade, but I've made $1,900 on this demo account, right? But this is the actual account that I'm building up right here. I started this account at $201 right now, and I'm just doing a bunch of small trades, and I'm gonna just grow this account because I'm scalping the market. I'm entering for 30 seconds here. I'm entering for 30 seconds there, for 5 seconds here, 5 seconds there. And yeah, so this one's going to be grown slowly but surely. And I'm doing safe trades that are almost fail proof. So that's what this is. This is almost a fail proof method here. And that's why I'm talking about this method, because you could make $1,000 a day doing this. Imagine if you had $50,000 like right here on this account. I started this account at $50,000. Now it's at 51,947. And this is just the demo account. The demo account uses fake money, but it shows you what you could do with your real money. It shows you it's just a 1.39% gain. But if you have $50,000, 1.39% of $50,000 is $694. So if you can make a 1.39% gain once every 30 minutes, I mean, now you're making $1,200 an hour essentially. So you can actually make this more inside of a day, right? But this is just saying, like, let's say you want to do like 2 trades a day. All right, cool. You can make $1,000 a day if you do 2 trades a day with $50,000, and that's how you could make a really good living with this money. But first, you have to build an account to that level, and like I said, this right here is going to increase. And as you can see, the profit, it's this line right here is the profit. Anything below this line is profit. So all I really have to wait for is for this to go up. And mind you, I'm doing 20x leverage here, 20x leverage. So at the price of $37,000, $37,193 of Bitcoin futures here, that's when I get liquidated. But right now you can see the price is at 35.7K, and liquidated is pretty much when they just take all your money, because like, look, you're too much a risk for them. Remember, it's 20x leverage. So what we have right here is the $228 I did times 20. So it's almost like I'm trading with $4,500, which is why I'm trying to take this money and then turn it in this money into a lot more. Because if you're trading with $50,000, like I was showing you before, and then you do this by 20, that's $1 million. It's like you're trading with $1 million. So that's how you can make $1,000 inside of one day. You can really make $1,000 in 1 hour. I've had times where I was making like $200 every day just doing this, but then I got liquidated right at the end because I tried to do a risky one. And that's why I say do Bitcoin futures. That's why this is specifically about Bitcoin futures. You can track Bitcoin's price, it's less volatile. And when you're doing futures with like 20x leverage, you're less likely to get liquidated, because what's the chance that Bitcoin goes to 37K like right now. Like there is a chance that it goes to 37K because we have been pumping. But inside of my technical analysis, when I've been talking about this, I've been talking about how I believe we're going to pull back, and I'm still standing on that. I believe there's a pullback. We can even see on the 4 hour chart of the RSI here. Like, look at this 4 hour chart. Look at how high it is on that RSI. It keeps crossing back over. It wants to crash so bad, but people are really keeping Bitcoin up and keeping it alive. It wants to crash so bad, and I can see it. Typically, when we cross at the top here of the momentum wave band, like with the chart prime indicators, you can see typically when we get all the way up there at the top, we usually end up making our way back down to the bottom half of that momentum wave band, the support momentum wave band. And that's what we're kind of doing here. You know, we are on an uptrend. You can see it. We are on a slight uptrend here, but it's a certain channel. And this channel is now starting to curve downwards. If you're wondering what indicators I'm using Chart Prime, link in the description for that. And also, if you want to trade on Mexi Global, you can trade on Mexi Global with the link in the description that I have. Go ahead and check that out. You can go ahead and sign up for that if you want. And if you want to join the Patreon group to, just be in the group with traders here, you can also do that as well. But the links for that is inside the description. But actually, what we're talking about now, like, I believe we're about to go down to this next channel here. So we're gonna be creating another channel. You can even see it here. It's lightly forming up here. That's why I like the chart prime indicators, because you can see the channel is just lightly forming up here, slowly but surely. So this is gonna be the next channel that Bitcoin is really trading in. And that is going to be around 33 to 34K. That's what I'm predicting here. And I think the RSI is about to cross and drop down as well. So that's pretty much my reasoning behind that. And if you want to talk about the 1 hour chart here, you can actually see, yes, we are going to increase a little bit. You can see there's still some room for the RSI to increase before it drops, right? There's still some room for it to increase. I think high 35Ks, but I think we're going to get rejected at 36K. I don't think we can make it past 36K right now. But if we do, then I guess I was wrong. But hey, we'll have to see what happens there with that. But as for this current trade here, like I said, we have a strategy and you have to pretty much stick to the strategy. Like I said, we're going to start selling up there. I probably should have actually bought into the position a little bit more so I can dollar cost average and I can get even more profits. And then my entry price would be more like here, and I'd probably be in profit right now. But I was talking and I wasn't focused on that. But anyways, the sale's happening now, and we're just gonna go ahead and make the profit on this. And like I was saying here with the demo account, this is a 20x leverage, right? I'm just gonna go ahead and open up a short with the whole thing because it's a demo account. But I just want to show you the type of money that you could be making here. It says insufficient. Hold on, let me do this again. So I think it might be because I have my other account open. So let's see. No, it actually went through on this. All right, there we are. There we are. And see, with this, we'll just wait until we're inside of profits here. Obviously, he's going to show like that you're down a lot of money because it's a lot of money that we put in. But just by putting in a small amount of money, you can make a whole lot of money off of that small amount. So that's pretty much what this is about. But even if this price continues to increase here, like we just now got that sell signal, but now the price is already increasing, we can still open up more of a position there off of here. You can see I have $146 left in available margin, and I have $81 in. So if I put the 146 in, it'll take my average entry price over here, which is 35.5K. It'll take that average entry price, and then it'll end up making it higher. And since I'm doing shorts, I want this entry price to be higher and higher and higher. So then it needs to get below that so I can actually make profits. So right now I need to get below $35,557 Bitcoin to be in profit. But right now we're at 35,689. But if I bought in more money here, then that's going to bring this profit line margin probably up to here, and it'll be a lot easier for us to make profit. And that's why I didn't put the whole position in. But I did put the whole position in with the demo account, because with the demo account, I just want to show you like how much money you can make with, like, let's say $50,000, because it's like you're trading with $1,000,000, because that's what it is. That's just what it is. So it's 20x leverage and 20x on $50 or $50,000 is $1 million. So it's crazy. But if you can really make it work, then it's very, very profitable. Look, as we're going up here with the RSI, I'm now tracking this up here. And yes, this is a high risk, and it's a high risk and it's a high stress type of thing. So trading isn't for everyone. And actually, the statistic is 95% of traders are not successful. So there's a 95% chance that you won't be successful. But like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But this is just something that, some people just excel at. And I'm just one of those people that excel at it now. But like I was saying, like, we're just waiting for this to go up a little bit more. I'm gonna go ahead and open up some more of this here. So, $20, $19. That's what we're gonna do here for that. No, I can get it higher at 43. Now the price dropped. All right, so as you can see, what I just did there, I opened a little bit. Wait, no, this is okay. Wait, no, this is the demo account. Wait, let me do it on this account because this is like my actual money that I'm trying to make right now. So, no, I need that higher. That needs to be like around here at the top of the momentum wave band. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm waiting for. I want it to get a little bit higher around here. I could either put the whole entire lot size there, or I could wait. But I'm thinking waiting would probably be the best option. Um, but yeah, let's see, because if I can get in all the way up here, then that's probably gonna bring the profit to like here, meaning anywhere below this area is actually profit. So yeah, it's really a waiting game here when it comes to trading. So I mean, yeah, that's like the most important thing here. But yeah, we're now hitting that area again. So yeah, this is probably where I'll go ahead and put $24. All right, let's open a short there. And see, this whole time here, I could be opening a long position. But we know when things pump like this, even though we just got a buy signal, typically it's the time to sell when things are pumping like this. So that's what I'm banking on here. I'm waiting for that area where it's time to sell. But now you can see my average entry price here is at 604. So we're just gonna keep raising our average entry price. And what that's gonna do is gonna make it so then it's almost like a fail proof method. Like, as long as we can get below this area, we're in profit. And who really thinks Bitcoin's about to go to 40K right now? Like, I mean, some people do believe it is, but if you can predict what's really about to happen, then I mean, you can make a lot of money here. So I'm on the fence that we're not gonna get past 3060K. We're gonna get rejected. Like, I've been watching this for a while. Like, I've been tracking this for a long time. But if we do end up, breaking past it, then I just lose on that trade. And that's the thing here with trading. There's no like one shoe fits all. Like, not everybody's gonna win on trades. There's a lot of people that think that it's about to go past 30K, 36K. And those people are longing the market right now. They're longing and they're making money. Look, they're making money right now. So if they're scalping on the way up, like how I'm trying to scalp on the way down, then they're making a lot of money. But my method is to scalp on the way down because I believe that it's bearish here. So everybody's method is now different here. But yeah, now the average entry price is at 35,604. So 35,604 will bring us to actually, we can just move this line higher to 35,604. So yeah, now that is now our profit margin area. Wait, I'm just trying to move these drawings over there. But yeah, now we can move this up here. Oh, now I gotta move the O and everything. All right. All right, so this is what we got here. Anything below this area at the 604 area is now profit. And as you can see, we are dropping inside of the price, even though we just now got that buy signal right there. The buy signal was a very short buy, but it's about to transfer into a sell signal now. And that's usually how it happens. So I'll just leave it at 605. I'm trying to like get it at 604. But yeah, anywhere below that level down there is straight profit. So yeah, That's pretty good. And if you look over here, it probably looks like we're doing terrible on this one because it shows you that you're down $811, which is only 1.44%. And the thing here is, if you can make 1% per trade off of $50,000, you're doing 30 trades a day. Let's just do that math there. Like $50,000 times 1%, you're doing about 30 trades a day. That's about $15,000 a day, which is $450,000 a month. And then even further, that's $5.4 million a year. And then in 10 years doing this, you would have $54 million. But anyways, we're in profit now. On this one, this is the demo account that we're in profit on. I'm gonna keep it in there because I know we're gonna pass that support, because I'm telling you, like, these technical indicators are very good. They're very good. Look at how everything has lined up right here with the support that I just now made. Like, everything has lined up. Everything is dropping. We're up $856 on this demo account. That's why I'm trying to get this up to 50K inside of this account here, so then I can do something like this. Like, this is what I'm trying to do. And the reason why I didn't take the profit there is because I know it's going to be more than 800. It's probably going to be like 1600 if I hold in. So you want to be very, very strategic with your positions. You want to follow your plan. Um, and part of the plan includes letting it drop a little bit more. Now, you can see on the RSI though, it's about to cross. So we're about to have another increase in price. If you are emotional, and another part of trading is psychology, like, it's actually a lot of psychology. You can't get emotional while trading. Like, I just seen it up $800. Well, I didn't take it out. Now it's down to 200, but I'm going to wait because I know it's going to be at 1600 soon. So, it's all about your mental capacity to, like, take on those risks and risk management. You have to have very good risk management. But yeah, we're about to cross down here on the RSI, which means we're about to have another increase in price. So we could see this price going back up to this level here. And you can see we're inside of this channel here, and that acts as a support area. And that's why we go up when we hit that level. And now we'll go up to, like I said, somewhere around there. And it gives you the opportunity to lower your average entry price. So you can do that if you want. I'm not going to do it though, because I like to keep this $121 as a just in case method, right? That is just in case, because I've got liquidated a lot before. So now I've created a strategy to not get liquidated. So my just in case strategy is, just in case I'm wrong and it goes all the way up here, then I can put the whole lot in at 100 or at 35.9K. And that'll probably bring my average entry to like 35.8K, meaning we only have to drop below 35.8K for me to be profitable. So it's almost like a fail proof method where you're doing this and you're like, I'm just going to do what I have to do. I'm not going to do, all this other stuff. So, anyways, we're at 630. We're at $720 here with the demo. This account here with the actual money is also going up a little bit. So yeah, this is pretty much the method. I'll do a lot more videos like this. Don't worry. This isn't going to be the only video. I'll start talking about different methods that we can be using. So I'm just going to go ahead and close this out because I know the video is getting long. But I just wanted to kind of show you, like, what you can really do. Yeah, like, you can do some really cool stuff inside of the crypto futures market. And obviously, of course, you will be paying some fees when you're doing it here on Mexi Global or any exchange at that. I'm just waiting for this to close. This position is, I think the price changed a little bit right there, actually. So yeah, I put, what did I put? I put 35,650. Right now we're at 35,665. So yeah, I was just trying to close this position to, like, just realize the price, but let me do that one more time here, just to, like, show you, like, oh wait, no, I almost opened it. All right, and now the money is actually went up a little bit more. But yeah, let's just close it. All right, boom. So there we have it. We have $793 in profit, which is 1.53%. And I'm trying to get this to where I'm going to get to where I'm making 100K a day. Okay, I'm going to get this to where I'm making 100K a day. But let's just say you're trading with 100K. Well, if you're trading with 100K, that would be $1,500. My goal is to be trading with $1 million and then doing 20x leverage and trading like you're trading with $20 million. And then you could be doing 1.53, which is $15,000 per trade, essentially 30 trades per day, $459,000 a day. And then that's 13 million a month. And then that is 165 million a year. And it's a different mindset with as a trader. Like, other people are probably looking at this like, this guy's insane, this guy's stupid, blah 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 blah. But when you're a trader, you can see, like, you can make this is realistic. It's very realistic. If you have $50,000, it is so easy to make $800. $800 is like making $5 when you have $50,000. Like, it's nothing. So that's why I'm trying to put it into this perspective, because a lot of people don't think it's realistic to do this as a trader, but it's very realistic with these type of methods. Like, this is a fail proof method. Look at this. Like, we're up now only by $1.22, but it's because I only have $228. You seen how much this was with $50,000. Like, when you have more money, you make more money when you're trading. And yeah, it's just is what it is. And as you can see here, I only made 86 cents, which is 0.80%. But if you think about it, with $50,000, if you're looking at it, 0.80%, that is $400. That would have been $400 because I sold this one at a different time. I should have sold it when I sold the demo account, but it went down a little bit. But yeah, like I was saying, like, that's 0.008, which is 0.80%. So $400 per trade, you're doing 30 trades a day, because these are scalp trades. You can do 30 of these a day and get this done in 4 hours. So, like, you can make $12,000 in 4 hours off 50,000 trading with 50,000. It's very, very fail proof. It's very fail proof. I know you just now seen what we just did. It's very easy. I do this all the time. I mean, you don't want to go outside of your strategy though. I have gotten liquidated before. I've turned $400 into $2,800 and got liquidated because I started trading these risky trades. And what I mean by risky trades, look at this. Risky trades are these new coins that are coming out with like $3 million in volume, but they're doing crazy percentages, right? They're doing crazy percentages. Like this one, only $393,000 in volume, but it's 12% inside of the trade, which means if you're doing 20x leverage, that's like 20x, like 11%. So if you think about it, I'm trading with $50,000, which brings me all the way up to $1,000,000. Just think about it like this. Take that $1,000,000 right there, and let's say we're up 12%, right? What's 12% of $1,000,000? That's 0.12. That's $120,000. So if that moves by 12%, you just made $120,000 off your 50,000 because you're 20x leverage. But those ones are very risky. Like, yeah, it's the get rich quick, but it's very risky. What I'm showing you is not get rich quick. It's a very fail proof method, and it's very, very simple, and it's very, very easy, but it's not get rich quick. It's very, well, for me, it's very safe because it's just the way I'm trading. It's a very safe method. Like, look at this. I'm scalping the market for 1%ers. I just want 1% gains per trade here. Like, some of them are 0.6%. Some of them are 0.3%, and they're not even a full percent. But I just want small trades. And the only ones that I'm losing is because I'm like, I want to trade on the opposite direction, or I want to wait. So then I'll like lose it at 4 cents, and then I'll make $5 or something like that after some stupid stuff. But yeah, and there's times where you can get liquidated in doing this. I've gotten liquidated before, like I said, but that's because I was using a different strategy. With this strategy here, I found this strategy to be very good. But yeah, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Chart Prime link in the description. If you want to sign up for Mexi Global to trade on there, go ahead and check out the Mexi Global link there. You can get 10% off your trading fees if you use that link. And also, if you want to join the Patreon group for our trading group, you can go ahead and do that link in the description for that. And as always, I'll be back with another video.